Hello students, welcome back in lesson number 4, that is carbon and its compounds. It is lecture number 4. Lecture number 4. Today we are going to study hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? Compounds of hydrogen and carbon. Hydrocarbons are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon. Now let us discuss the types of hydrocarbons. These are of two types, acyclic and alicyclic. Okay, acyclic and alicyclic. Acyclic means the carbon compounds are in the form of chains. Okay, alicyclic carbon compounds are further of three types. One is alkane. Further two types. These are of two types. That is saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. These are not in our syllabus, therefore we are not going to discuss these. Our chief concern is to study these saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons means the carbon, there is single bond between two carbon atoms. And these are called alkanes. What we call alkanes. These are called alkanes, and their general formula is C2H2CN, CnH2n plus 2. Unsaturated, these are further of two types, that is alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes means carbon have double bond. On the other hand, alkynes have triple bond. Carbon have double bond, and in these carbon have double bond. If we talk about the general formula of alkenes, that is CnH2n, and general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. You students, you have to keep these things in your mind. Today we started with the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of two types, acyclic and alicyclic. These are not in our syllabus. Therefore, we are going to study about only acyclic hydrocarbons. These are of two types, that is saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means when the carbon have single bond in them. Such type of carbon compounds are called saturated hydrocarbons. The general formula for saturated hydrocarbon is CnH2n plus 2. And if we talk about the unsaturated hydrocarbon means when the carbon have double bond or triple bond. And these are of two types, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes have general formula CnH2n, and alkynes have general formula CnH2n minus 2. And now this was the classification of the hydrocarbons. Let's start with the saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbons means alkanes. As I have already told you, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Here n is the number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. Okay, if we put 1 in place of n, then you get 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to CH2 plus 2 means CH4. This is the formula of first hydrocarbon, first alkane, that is methane. This is the formula of first alkane, that is methane. If number of carbon atom is 1, then we use meth. If it is 2, then it. If it is 3, prop. 4, but. 5, pent. 6, hex. 7, hex, hept. If it is 8, then oct. We will discuss how to name these compounds. As I have already told you, if the number of carbon atom is 1, then we use meth. It is meth. They are alkanes. They are having single bond of there is single bond, and therefore we add ane to it. Then it became methane. If we talk about the second number, that is ethane, the formula for ethane will be C2H2 into 2 plus 2. It will be equal to C2H6. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. C2H6. This is the formula for ethane. We add ane because these are alkanes behind it. Then if we talk about the suppose group, if suppose we are talking about butane, from the formula we come to know that it has 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms, then apply this formula. C n means number of carbon atoms means 4, then 2 into again number of carbon atoms 4 plus 2. It will become C4H10. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 2, then it is equal to 10. C4H10. This is the molecular formula for butane. In this way, we can find out the molecular formula of any of the alkanes. Any of the alkanes. This is the molecular formula. If we talk about the structural formula, now structural formula. Structural formula. Let's talk about first member, that is methane. We know that carbon can combine with only 4 other atoms. Not more than 4, not less than 4. It has 4 electrons. It will share 4 electrons, not more than 4, not less than 4. Then it combines with 4 hydrogen atoms. Then it becomes the what we call structural formula of the methane. If there is one more way to write this, that is the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. You have to represent the electrons in this structure. First of all, denote carbon. Now mark 4 electrons belonging to carbon with the help of 4 dots. These are the 4 electrons that are with carbon. There are 4 hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen has 1 electron. The number of number of electrons that are present in hydrogen, they are represented with the cross. You may use your own formula. I am representing the electrons belonging to hydrogen with the cross and the electron belonging to carbon with the dots. Now this hydrogen, again there is one more hydrogen, and there is one more hydrogen. Now if you look at the structure, the number of carbon atoms present in the outermost shell of the carbon atoms become 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and each hydrogen atom has 2 electrons in its outermost shells, or we can say valence shell. This is the way with which you can describe the electron dot structure of any of the member of the alkanes. Let's talk about some other members and write their structural as well as the what we call electron dot structure. Let's talk about pentane. Pentane, as written over here, it has 4 carbon atoms. Its molecular formula will be C5H2 into 5 plus 2, means C5H12. Its molecular formula will have 5 carbon atoms and 12 hydrogen atoms. Okay. Now write its structural formula. If you write the structural formula of pentane, first of all represent 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now one carbon atom can combine with 4 other atoms. It is already combined with 1. It can combine with 3 other hydrogens. That is, you can write this. Now come to this carbon. It is already combined with 2 carbon atoms. It can combine with 2 more hydrogen atoms. You see, carbon can combine only with 4, not less than 4, not more than 4. Now, if the look at the valency of this carbon atoms, it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to this. Here again hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now come to this. If when you come to this, this is combined with only 1. It means it will combine with 3 more hydrogen atoms. This is a structural formula. Molecular formula. This is structural formula. Now come to the electron dot structure. 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now represent the 4 electrons with dots. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now attach hydrogen atoms as they are shown in the structural formula. 1, 2, 3. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, then 3 hydrogen. Again here 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, then comes second hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, then comes the last one, that is third hydrogen. Now look at the number of electrons with each carbon atoms. 2, 4, 6, 8. It is having 8 electrons. Now look at the number of carbon atoms with number of electrons with this carbon. 2, 4, 6, 8. This pair is shared between these 2 carbons. Now look at this. Again 8. Now this with this, it is again 8. Now come to this, it is again having 8 electrons. If we look at the hydrogen atoms, it requires only 2 electrons. 2 here, 2 are shared with this carbon, again 2 are shared with this, 2 with this, 2 with this, and 2 with this, 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 and 2 with this. This is the electron dot structure of what we call pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, and number of hydrogen atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 as they are in molecular formula. In this way we can write the electron dot structure structural formula and molecular formula of all alkanes with the help of this and with the help of this formula. This was all about the alkanes. We will talk about alkenes in next lecture. Until that, goodbye.